Teejay, I wanna rap.
Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Dan back in the lobby, no man. You see me and say, you see where I do it. We got the up top pass. The one name active. And we active, you know, in the early morning. You see me and say, gang, me know been missing for a while now, man. But a good week now, me not drop a video. And a beer bang has been dropping. And I get caught up with everything right now. You see me and say, but before we jump right in the chat, make sure you like and subscribe on the road to 10K, man. We only 2,500 away, gang. Make that happen. You see me? Yeah, man, let's get it, gang. Teejay active? Yeah, man. They're like in there, Toronto. Like in there, Canada. All right, let's get it. Dan Julio, the ace of spade. The Versace's on. They said Teejay up. Money up. Come on outside. Yeah, million too. Quarter out. Alright. Roll it on risk. Cash code. What going? Crowd them out. This okay, pick you like a movie.
Rubber gold pan the line, I say me must call away a big baller when I kick no bat. Any scene I'm a cup and when I beat Muscat on 100 million for me first yard. And a loan designer from we touch Brad. Get a call my phone, I say link up fast. General in the street, you know me thing must.
Okay, so Teejay drop bang at you now. For you see cash code and every them should know so choppings are gone. Alright.
When you talk about weed, them have to big up God. Big Benji, we know in a guitar. We do this in a real life and not in a VR. Guns, drugs and money I feed. Now we car, we pull up in a the cheat.
Big Benz, you want to the BMW, they replay with the Doom.
In a the bar, so no try this way if you know in a no war. And the boy will feel like say my wizard. Live up the 17 cars in the far arm. I play with the K like say it a guitar. Yo.
Come in now, man.
Yo, cash code, we active in nightclub. We dash bricks, girl a bounce bang cocky and I say she want split. We spend 1.3 million.
Cash code, we active in nightclub. We dash bricks. I want to girl. Hey!
And panty, our rich like whoa. 90s Cartier bust down, pan the top of my wrist. Mama jump
90s Cartier bust down. Come on, man.
Snap a one pick RS panic crown when you're non-hybrid.
Hey.
We active in nightclub. We dash bricks, girl a bounce bang cocky and
active out here, man.
She want split, we spend 1.3 million pan tip. Our rich like whoa. 90s Cartier bust down.
So we spend 1.3 million pan tips. Oh, you tip that better come tip me, man. Bombard.
Top of my wrist, mama jump like bees and snap a one pick RS panic crown when you're non-hybrid. When you're non-hybrid. I want press
RS panic crown and hybrid thing. Alright.
Left panic and if a guy want test then in the next day I feel come here rid of them. Rich time alone, big life alone. After them they are so the big kind of load.
After them they are so the big kind of load. Don't forget say a Teejay in Bitcoin, you know. Don't forget that. Me not do the choppings.
That them rich and we tweet by a phone. Me talk them know about street life alone. We active in nightclub. We dash bricks, girl a bounce bang cocky and I say
she wants split. Hey, come on.
You spend 1.3 million band tip. Like whoa. 90s Cartier bust down on the top of my wrist. Mama jump like this and snap a one pick
RS panic crown. That an hybrid. Come in. Cash Code do him thing, man. Big up yourself. Cash Code Records. That's facts. Money power. That's facts. Teejay active. Big up your damn self, me G. You see me and say, yeah, man. It's a good look. Teejay do him thing, brother. You see me and say that I'm active. Cash Code, you know, Cash Code upload with some Bumblecly tune. And he start working with some big artists, I know. Big artists are getting the chopping vibes. But yeah, man, Cash Code do him thing, TJ do him thing, it's a banger. You see me, it's definitely a vibe. Definitely enjoy this one, gang. Let me know anything about the one. TJ been up in this thing, man. You see me, from no complain now to this active, just the quality and overall video and visuals just been going crazy. You see me, I say, no joke. So yeah, man, up top boss, keep doing your thing, my G. You see me? Yeah, man, crazy look, good look. You see me, I say, active outside, keep doing your thing, keep making these bangers and keep soaring. You don't know, TJ one of the best in the game. Hit me a coffee, sure. You see me, I say, and we see him put his work lately, man. But TJ is still active out here, man, making his money, making bangers, making hits, and he's still staying relevant. You know, he still has to stay relevant, and he's staying up with the times. You see me, I say, he's not like a chopper artist, but he can give that chopper vibe when already. You see me, I say, yeah, man. You see him couple Cash Code. That was the enough song come out for that, you know. Ballon d'Or, I believe, is on that rhythm. I think Skipper, you know what I'm saying? Enough bad tune come off of the Bumbuckler rhythm there. You see me, I say? So yeah, man, big up TJ with active. The visuals go crazy, the vibe go crazy. Dog, do it just like our artists as 𝐑𝐂𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 should be doing it. But yeah, man, gang, we don't think about the one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artists on support, make you know say you're the dancing. Yeah, man, gang. Also, let me know what your favorite part, beats, lyrics, all that good stuff. Gang, we're back active, you know. I'm going back active. You see me, I say? Talking about streaming and videos. You see me, I say, gang? So look out for that, bro. Today is gonna be, you're gonna see crazy videos dropping. You see me, I say? Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.